How would you like to be able to instantly create a software as a service app from any spreadsheet with about 3 clicks? If that's interesting, I think you're going to love my bonus for the Spreadsheet Toolkit. Before we get to that, my name is Eric. I know as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me, my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you're new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you could skip ahead because I tell the same boring jokes day in and day out. You'd think I'd learn, but no, I never learn. Although I do have a different look. I shaved the beard a little bit, right? That's something different. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new, what I do here is two things. I be a software and products and make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing in my ass? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't anybody about yourself crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Newman. That guy drives me crazy. Along with his buddy Bart from The Simpsons and that crazy guy who talks about loving crap. Nobody loves crap. You don't. I don't. These people don't. So why are you talking about crap? That drives me nuts. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, way through the work here. If I like your product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. I mean, you see, Liz, she is such a sweetheart. She says the same thing all the time, but she's so sweet about it. Who can get angry at her? But seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon. Be notified when I drop my videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so look right now at the sales page for the Spreadsheet Toolkit. This is from my friend Melanie. Now, this actually won Deal of the Day on Warrior Plus. It's an amazing, amazing product. Basically, these are a set of done-for-you spreadsheets that you can sell on places like Etsy or Fiverr or even eBay. And these are great for small businesses that they can keep easy track of all their expenses. And basically, these work with Google Sheets, which is free. Basically, you're just going to give them the sheet and they get to use it and you get to make money off of it every single time. Now, this alone is really, really incredible. The price, by the way, for this thing, if you check this out, is $27. But if you pick this up before Monday, I have a special coupon. I was able to work out a deal with Melanie to get you $10 off with coupon Eric10. It's not going to appear on the sales page. You have to get it only from me. It is on my bonus page. Make sure you click I have a coupon and select and put in the code Eric10. And it's going to save you $10. It's going to be $17 instead of $27. But of course, you know, if you are a regular here, that I never like to go halfway. I'm not just going to give you a discount off of this deal. I'm also going to give you something truly, truly special. So I've actually been playing around with spreadsheets. Now, these spreadsheets will not work with this particular method, by the way, because these are Google spreadsheets. And the method I found works with Excel spreadsheets. But what you can do is like this. You can actually take any Excel spreadsheet and you can turn it into an instant app completely for free. And what do I mean by that? It's literally like an app that you can go ahead and just upload it, click a few buttons, and you have a software as a service app. Okay. Plus, I'm also going to show you a website that I found where you can download dozens of ready to deploy Excel spreadsheets that can be used for all kinds of different features. So you can actually take these spreadsheets, turn them into apps, and then go ahead and offer that to your customers. Or you're also going to get PLR on my video explaining how it all works. So you can go ahead and offer that as a value add when you sell these spreadsheets from the Spreadsheet Toolkit. So it's a really, really, really powerful thing. Let me show you how easy this is. So first of all, I'm going to show you this website. Obviously, you can't see right now what the name of it is. Okay, you can just see it says free Excel spreadsheets for daily use. Okay, obviously, you're going to be able to see what this website is. I'll give you the link for it but you can see some of the spreadsheets. You have your to-do list, okay, to-do list template, drop-down list, checkboxes, all these different things. So I just gone ahead and download the very first item on this list. See, there's a lot of different things here that you can go ahead and download. So I picked the very first item, Excel to-do list template, all right, printable. Very, very simple template that would open up in Excel ordinarily. Well, let's say that you want to make it into a software as a service product. With this website that I found, I'm going to show you how easy this is. You're going to go to the website, and again, I've already logged in. Basically, it's going to set up a free account. They do have a paid option if you want extra features, but there is a free option that's free forever. Okay, and again, you'll find out what this website is called. Once you pick this up for me, all of the stuff up above is going to be unblocked for you. It's not going to be hidden, obviously. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, but check this out. All I do is create new application, click create new application. I'm going to upload my Excel spreadsheet. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this thing that I downloaded, the Excel to-do list, and click open. All right. And then I'm going to click create an application. And it's going to ask me if I want to use automation. I'm going to click try it. Okay. And within a few seconds, I have a ready-to-use software as a service product that I can go ahead and deploy. Okay. And we're just going to click publish. If I want to, I could edit the interface, of course, make it something different, but we're just going to go ahead and click publish over here. All right. And within a couple of seconds, boom, we have our to-do list. You can simply add things in. Okay, it's going to have a number, priority, and progress status. And basically, you can just type in whatever you want, and you have a ready-to-use software as a service product. It really is that simple. Now, as far as the spreadsheets are concerned, let me show them to you real quick as well. Okay, this is the download area. You're going to get 3 different types of spreadsheets. And let me go ahead actually to we'll go to Google Sheets real quick, and I'm going to show it to you. So this is one sample that I downloaded here. You can see here, this obviously is a bit more complicated. This is going to be for tracking the money that a blog makes. So you can track on a monthly basis everything involved in the blog. So advertising, commissions, content, the whole 9 yards, all the different expenses. And it's going to total it up over here for you. So you can actually go ahead. Now, again, these are Google Sheets. These are not Excel sheets. And so they don't necessarily work exactly the same way. So you can actually sell these as well. And people are just going to be able to use it right on Google Sheets. But I wanted to give you a value add that you can offer that nobody else is going to be offering. Even if somebody else is offering these things, nobody else is also offering PLR, offering this course that I created on how to use this simple system, where to find these done-for-you Excel templates and turn them into simple software as a service products, which can be used completely for free. Okay, so that's going to be my additional bonus, but you can see how easy these things will be to sell as well, because you can literally just put these up for sale on places like Etsy, $5 or $10, and make 2 sales, you're already going to make back your money, and then everything is pure profit after that. It is one of the simplest ways of making money that I can think of, and every small business needs stuff like this. They can actually go ahead and track your expenses. And because of these things being available on Google Sheets, everybody has access to Google because it's free. So you can literally just deploy it and people can start using it immediately. Okay, so let's see if I am going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously, okay. You demand. This is really, really awesome. I do love this thing. Anytime you can give something, you can find a way of making money by offering something that has genuine usage and which is so easy to understand, so easy to use. I think that that is a win-win, especially when you can go and deploy this thing together with my done-for-you course. You're going to be giving away my course as your own value add. Plus, you got my $10 off coupon, which nobody else has. To me, that is a win-win-win. Grab this for $17. You cannot go wrong. You're going to love this.